Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Slice Baby Pizza website. As you can see here, throughout the state of Texas, we are known for having the best pizza in Texas. Our customers have left countless five-star reviews. Over here, you can see the origin of Slice Baby Pizza. Slice Pizza was founded in Dallas, Texas, and got its name from the famous song "Ice Ice Baby" by Vanilla Ice. Vanilla Ice was also from Dallas, Texas, where Slice Baby Pizza started. The pizza is made from the most fresh sauce in Texas, along with the best dough and cheese you can get. There are now multiple places around the world, outside of Texas as well, for everyone to enjoy. Follow us on Twitter for more information. Right here, you can click on the link. And it'll bring you to our Twitter page. Right here is our logo at the top. And then to navigate throughout the website, you go up over here, About, Portfolio, Contact. In About, at the bottom, it shows our menu, which we have Supreme Pizza, Pepperoni Pizza, Barbecue Chicken Pizza, Hawaiian Pizza, Buffalo Pizza, Greek Pizza, and much more. And some of our drinks, Coke products like Diet Coke, Sprite. We also have Dasani Water, Smart Water, Minute Maid Orange Juice, Powerade, and much more. And right up here is a video showing how you can make our pizza homemade at your own house. Just skip through this a little bit. Here's our dough. So what you do with the dough right there, what he's doing. And that's putting the sauce on. There's putting the cheese on. And then once you take it out of the oven, it'll be done. You cut it up. So then we can go to the portfolio page and get some pictures of our products. Here are some of the ice cold drinks that we have. Some of the fresh pepperonis. The shredded cheese. Here's what our pizza sauce looks like. And then the dough that we start with. The final page you click right up here is contact. It ever loads. There we go. So right here's our banner. Slice Baby Pizza, the best pizza in Texas. And if you want to contact us, you just put your name, your email, leave any comments you want to leave us. You know, submit on that. And usually it's supposed to take you to this screen. I don't know what's going on. Thank you. We'll be in touch with you shortly. And here are our tweets on the side right here. And yep, that's pretty much the whole website. Let's get back to the home page real quick. The internet's running slow. There we go. And that's all. Thank you.